Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. Now for today's video, I'm going to be doing a more personal sort of a video. One complaint that I always get from you guys is that I'm not very interactive. Like in terms of I just make like fashion, beauty content and there aren't as such any personal videos. So I've decided to change that a little bit, and for today I'm going to be doing a tag video. Now this tag video is called My First Tag, I believe that's what it's called. I happen to watch a bunch of these videos. I've been like binge watching these videos and I think they're so interesting. So I've listed down a few, I think like 10 questions, and I'm gonna answer them today for you guys. So I hope you guys learned something new about me. And yeah, let's just get started with today's video. Okay, so the first question is your first YouTube video. My first YouTube video was a channel trailer, I remember. So I think I'm gonna insert like a clip of it because I'm so proud of it. I love that video till this date. So yeah.
Don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause I don't think that I have it in my soul to keep letting go.
So yeah, that was my first YouTube video ever. It was a channel trailer. I will link that in the description box below in case you guys want to watch the whole thing. But my first like actual video that wasn't a trailer was a hair tutorial. That's so weird because I don't make hair videos at all these days. Recently I haven't been rather. So yeah, it's really weird to have like my first like video to be a hair video. But yeah, that's that. Your first Instagram post. I think I'll pop it right here. I don't even need to like pick up my phone and try to look for like my first Instagram post. I remember which is my first Instagram post. I remember I was in 11th standard, my first year of college, and I was in Sophia College, and we have our fest which is called Kaleidoscope. I talk like I'm still in college, but we had our fest which is Kaleidoscope, and for the flash mob we had gone to some sort of mall to like dance there for the flash mob. And I think I'm gonna blur one of the two girls' face out because I'm not friends with her anymore, and I don't know if she would want to be on a platform like YouTube. But the other one, I know she wouldn't mind. Her name's Priyanka, and she actually has started making videos on Instagram, and I think they're so fun. I will link her Instagram in the description box below. But yeah, that was my first Instagram post. A very like long explanation for that. But yeah, that's that. Your first makeup product that you bought. My first ever makeup product that I must have bought was, I think so I remember till like 12th standard the only makeup product that I wore was eyeliner, and that was the Lakme's Insta liner. I still have it. Wait, I'll show you. Yeah, that was the Lakme's Insta liner, and I still wear it till date. Can you believe it? It's been like, let's count, 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th, 12th, first year, second year, third year, I think around 8 years. So I think that was my first product. I saw my mom using it, but she wouldn't let me use her eyeliner, so I decided to pick my own up. My first ever job. Sadly, I've never worked like a job. I've never done any sort of internships either. I started my YouTube channel, I think, when I was in my second year of college. So right after I was done with college, I started doing YouTube full time. So I haven't really done a job ever in my life. Like how I used to earn money before I started making YouTube videos was I would like give head massages to my dad. I would do his like pedicures and manicures. So yeah, that's how I used to earn money back in the day, but no actual job as such. Your first foreign trip. My first foreign trip was to Thailand, Singapore and Malaysia. It was like a tour. Like most people usually go to like Thailand. It's like their first like foreign trip, usually from India actually. So I think I'll pop a few pictures here on the screen. I was very young. I think I must have been, I think like 6 or 7. I don't know, bro. It's been a while, but yeah, that was my first foreign trip. Your first major injury. So I'm really lucky to say I've never really had any sort of like injuries. even like while growing up, because I wouldn't really like go down to play. I know like kids usually like play niche jaake, right? I wouldn't really do that. So I didn't really end up getting hurt that much, but I did have a hairline fracture just a few years ago actually, and that was because I was wearing heels. So I had gone for a wedding to Kolkata, and I was wearing heels and I was dancing in the heels, and my leg kind of bent to the right, and I had a hairline fracture. So that's like the most major injury that I've ever had, knock on wood. Your first period. Okay, so I'll tell you my first period story. I don't think I've ever like said it on camera. So I got my period when I was in 7th standard. So I was around 12 years, है ना? I think 12. So I was very well educated about like my periods and all of that. So my dad used to be like a biology professor. He is still a chemistry professor, but he used to teach biology back in the day. So I remember him coming up to me when I was in like 6th standard or like even 5th. I don't remember, when I was young, like about to start my periods. He came up to me and he explained me like the entire process of like an egg and ovulation and all of that. So I knew what was about to happen, but I didn't know when it was gonna happen, obviously. So I was in 7th standard and it was our photo day, like class group photo hota hai na, so wo tha. And I was so excited. I was so excited. I had come like all prepped for that day, and I remember after lunch break my stomach started cramping, and I just thought in my head, it's gas, you know, what else is it gonna be? So I went up to my teacher. I told her that I think I have gas, can you help me with some sort of medication? She was like, if it's gas, it's gonna be fine in a few minutes. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna like breathe it out. And I remember my Hindi lecture was going on, and I like my stomach was paining. It was so bad, and I felt like something wet underneath me, and it still didn't like strike that it was my periods. But anyway, we were supposed to, after the Hindi lecture, the photo session was gonna happen. So all of us were supposed to go downstairs to go take a picture, and my school was a co-ed school, so there were guys as well. And when I got up, my entire skirt was like brown, covered with blood. I know, like TMI, but it's okay. I mean, it's fine. So I sat down really quickly. I don't think anyone saw, and I told my friend to go tell the teacher. So my teacher very smartly asked everyone to leave, and it didn't like seem suspicious because everyone was anyway supposed to leave. So everyone left. And then after everyone was gone, they escorted me to the staff room, and then I was just sitting there. But yeah, that was my first period horror story. And one more thing I remember is my first period, like the first time that I ever got it, it lasted for 11 days, and it was so painful. It still is so painful to this date. But yeah, that is my period story, very long. Yeah, the next question is your first drink or like your first drunken experience. So my first like alcoholic drink must have been with my parents. Like they must be having like wine, and I asked them, can I have a sip? And they were like, yeah, have a sip, whatever. So I don't really remember when, but I don't know, I just don't remember when, but it must have been a long time ago. So that was my first alcohol drinking experience. Talking about my first drunken alcohol experience, I don't really have one, honestly. I'm not lying, I don't really drink. I don't like the taste of most alcoholic drinks. The only drink that I do drink is wine, and like my parents know about it, so it's fine. I'm talking about it. And yeah, I've never really been like drunk out of my mind, where I'm like blackout drunk, I don't remember what's happened. I don't do that because I like to be in control. I'm a very like control freak. It's almost kind of annoying because I'm like always so anxious, and I think of what like all the bad things that could possibly happen. So yeah, not being in control is like the worst, so I just don't tend to get drunk. The first app that you check in the morning, I think it must be WhatsApp, I guess, या फिर YouTube. दोनों में से एक. The first time you got into trouble at home. Now I tried to think about this answer for like so long, but I couldn't think of an answer. Like, not to blow my own horn, but I've been a very good child. I don't think I've ever really gotten into trouble. I was like a very scared little child who wouldn't do anything. But you know what? I think I'm gonna do a challenge or like a video with my parents. So maybe we could ask them this question then. But I think that's it for today's video. I've answered all 10 questions that I had shortlisted. And I hope this was interesting. I hope it wasn't boring. I don't do personal videos because I think it's like too boring. nobody really cares to like listen to my answers. But let me know what you think in the comments down below, and if you want me to do more tags, let me know which tags, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. And for today's giveaway, we have these goodies from Believe, and in order to win, all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram, and tag 3 friends on my latest Instagram post.